In line 8 of showall.php, set up your image URL. Then scroll down to just under the start of your results div and put in comments so that we can set up our images, our links, and the day and month formatting. Please retrieve the image from the database using FindRS, and then we can set up the image location. If all of your images are in an images folder, your location is going to be images / and the image file name. If you've been supplied with the dataset, you'll want to use that images URL from earlier instead of having an images folder. Next, scroll down to above where we set up the heading and set up an images tag. Apply the class of holiday illustration. Inside your source, open and close a PHP bracket and echo out the image location. And all going well, if you reload your page, your images should appear in each of the boxes. We need to add an alt property to our image tag. I want this to be the same as the event name. Please go up to where we set up our images, create a variable called event name, and retrieve the event name from the database. I can then go to my image tag, give myself a little bit of space, and put in an alt tag. To do this, I need alt and my speech marks. I need to open and close a PHP bracket, and I can echo out the event name. This also means that when I put my heading in, instead of referring to FindRS event, I can clean up my code a little bit and just refer to it as event name. When I preview the page, I can confirm that nothing has been broken, and when I validate the HTML, it looks really good. Please go into the support files area, into the useful code file, and copy the link code that you've been provided with. Paste those two links underneath the More Links Setup comment in your Show All file. We can use the event name for our search term. If it's Google, we need to replace our spaces with pluses, and if it's Wikipedia, we need to replace them with underscores. For Wikipedia, we're going to set up a wiki search variable and use string replace, where if it's a space, we replace with an underscore and we feed in the event name. And for Google search, we do almost the same thing, except instead of using an underscore, we use a plus. We then need to join our base with our search term. So to do that for Google, set up a variable called Google URL and have $Google base. Remember, our dot concatenates and concatenate with Google search. And then do almost the same thing for your wiki URL, concatenating your wiki base and your wiki search. We then want to scroll down to under where we have our description. Open and close a paragraph tag. Put in the sentence, for more information, try Google or Wikipedia. Surround the word Google with an ahref open and close tag. Then inside your href tag, open and close your PHP bracket and echo out that Google URL. Then surround the Wikipedia word with your ahref open and close. Once again, open and close your PHP bracket and echo out your wiki URL. We can test that this works by reloading our page, and when we push Google, we do in fact go to results for National Trivia Day, which is exactly what we wanted. If we push Wikipedia, it sort of works, only it says that there isn't an article for this, and that's why we put the Google link before the Wikipedia link. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and adjust the formatting of our date.